Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, spoiler alert, this is how my hair turned out. About 4 or 5 days ago, I bleached and dyed my hair all on the same day, and I did a video on it, so definitely check that out if you haven't watched that already, because that is basically the part 1 to this video. And I did film myself dyeing my hair as well as I did bleaching, but I forgot to do an introduction. Before I dyed it, I forgot to explain anything because I was so upset with how bad the bleaching went, and I was embarrassed and I just wasn't thinking, so I just dyed my hair. I did film it, so I will show you that, but I thought before I show you the footage of that, I would sit down and talk about everything and kind of explain and let you know what I did wrong, because I did a lot of things wrong. But honestly, I'm really happy with how my hair turned out. It's a fun color. It's not exactly what I was going for, which I will get into. So, if you saw the part 1, you probably saw that my hair was messed up after I bleached it. It was very uneven, very splotchy, very orange, still black in some parts. It was a mess. It was very damaged, but now my hair feels so much better. And I have washed my hair 3 times, or twice. No, I've washed my hair twice since I dyed it, and usually I wouldn't do that because I don't wash my hair that often, and it's only been 4 or 5 days, but for some reason, this dye, which I haven't even told you what it is yet, I'll tell you after, but for some reason, this dye is really hard to get out. I've done so many colors. I've done red, purple, another blue, I've done pink, and all sorts of colors, but I've never had such a problem. I'll wake up and my hands are just green. I'll go to sleep with dry hair and wake up with green hands, and I'm like, how did that even happen? So I washed it twice to try to just stop staining my hands, and I feel like, I mean, they're still tinted green a little bit, but I feel like I've got most of it out. It doesn't bleed too much, but sometimes, I don't know, it just gets on my hands. I think when I sweat in my sleep or something, I don't know. That's TMI, I guess. Sorry if that's gross, but it stains my hands green. I don't know why. But anyway, so the products that I used, or the product that I used, the dye that I used was Punky in the color Turquoise. I can't say turquoise apparently. And if you saw my first video, I did say that that was dumb, and it was dumb, because when you bleach very dark hair only once, and then you put a turquoise color on, any kind of blue with a greenish tint, it will just turn green. It is very green, which I expected. So I did order on Amazon the same brand of dye, just another jar, but instead of ordering it in turquoise, I got it in Lagoon Blue is the shade. And that's what I'm going to use whenever I feel like, whenever I feel like touching up my hair, if I feel like it's really faded or anything like that, just whenever I want to touch it up. I might wait about a month or a few weeks, and then I'll put the Lagoon Blue on to hopefully give my hair the kind of tone I want, a really blue color, because I've never had a light blue hair color turn out. It always turns green, and I really want that, so hopefully that will work out. I've had so many different shades of purple. When I had purple hair, I did a blue toned purple, I did a pink toned purple, I did all sorts of different purples, a red tone, and it was so easy to just put a dye with a different tone over it and it would change completely. So I'm feeling pretty optimistic. I feel like if my hair's faded enough and I put the Lagoon Blue on, I feel like it will take away some of those green tones. So I guess we'll see. If I ever do that, I will make sure to film it and do another video of me touching up my hair with that. So if you're interested in doing these colors, they're cheap on Amazon, and I think they're really good. I don't know exactly how long they last, but they're very vibrant, very pretty. The staining issue, maybe that's just me not washing it out well enough. That could totally be the case. But yeah, this is my hair. I hope you like it. I really like it. It is more green than I wanted, but that's okay. It's still fun, mermaidy color, and I love it. I love fun colors. I really don't care what it looks like as long as it's something different. maybe that's weird, I don't know. I just really wanted something unique and different and fun, and that's what I got, so I'm really happy with it. So I will play the clip of me dyeing my hair so you can see how awful my hair was before, after the bleaching, and honestly I thought it was going to be a disaster when I put this dye over, but it worked really well. It was magic basically, so I'm really happy with it. I think this dye is amazing, so I definitely recommend it if you're interested. And yeah, thank you for watching. Here's the clip of me dyeing my hair.